We're over here in the beautiful rural area of Central California in Santa Margarita, just 20 minutes outside of San Luis Obispo, minutes from all the wineries in Paso Robles. We had a very unfortunate situation here. 5 old mobile homes and trailers burnt down to the ground. HomeQuest is going to be replacing all these trailers with brand new manufactured homes. Santa Margarita is surrounded by natural beauty and all these rolling hills and mountains and natural wildlife. This is a great community for your family. If you're interested in learning more about the new manufactured homes that we're going to be placing in Santa Margarita, leave a comment or contact us at 866-720-2207. Earlier, we met with our contractor and mapped out an exact plan that we have for replacing these 5 burned down units. We're going to be having 1 double wide in 4 single wide homes. We're going to be scraping all these lots, so all you see is the dirt. We're going to be removing the concrete pads. We're going to be removing and stump grinding this burnt down tree. And also we're going to have somebody that's going to be coming in and getting rid of all these chassis. This section of the park is going to be brand new. It's going to be the best section in the community. These homes are going to be built by Fleetwood. Fleetwood is an excellent manufacturer outside Riverside, California. If you want to learn more about this all-age manufactured housing community, leave a comment or contact us at 866-720-2207. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you want to see brand new manufactured home tours, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours.